Fold your paper in half on the diagonal. Make a pinch fold to find the center line. Using the upper layer, fold the top corner to the bottom edge. Then fold the bottom corners in towards the middle. One by one, unfold those corners and fold them upwards. Behind the corners is a pocket, so you tuck these in behind. Flip over and fold in half. I'll then fold the corner up to the center crease and flip over to repeat on this side. This is finished, but if you make a few and you throw them up into the air, it's like an explosion of colour. Check this out. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video or you want to learn more about origami, or even if you're looking for origami paper to add to your library at home, come check out my website. I've put it in the link in the description down below. I am now selling some of my products on Amazon. Yay! Anyway, happy folding and enjoy your origami. Bye.